Do you like coconut? Coconut water is so refreshing. Plus, the shell is great for crafts. This guy had such a hard time opening the fruit that I said, "No way! I'm going to use everything this coconut wants to give me." And he got to work. First, he had to smooth out the edges of the coconut and remove that fuzz that the shell has. The coconut was left shiny, right? When he finished this task, the man cut the coconut shell into several pieces and took an old jean and cut it into several rectangles, which he placed one on top of the other, poured epoxy resin, and pressed between two glasses. The result was a perfect rectangle of jean. Then the guy cut out the rectangle according to the shape of the coconut shell, obtaining a circle. What this man is planning is to make an instrument similar to a ukulele, but smaller. The convex shape of the coconut helps to generate very pleasant musical sounds. Did you know that? Actually, this instrument is going to sound like a xylophone, or rather, like a thumb piano. That's why the guy had to work on the metal tines that are going to generate the sound. The stainless steel tines float over the main holes of the thumb piano and produce wonderful melodies. The work was Arduino, but you will see that it was worth it when you see the result. The coconut shell would be the sound box, and the oval of denim with resin would be the lid. To make the spikes, the man worked with metal that he took from nails, from which he removed the heads. Then he flattened them. He had to make rods of different sizes so that they would sound different when played. When all the pieces were ready, the guy assembled them onto the lid of the mini thumb piano. He made a braid out of two golden metal rods, flattened them a bit with the hammer, and placed them around the lid, creating a beautiful border. Then he placed the lid on the coconut sound box. Don't you think this man's work turned out beautiful? Look at all the details. The guy didn't miss a single one. The instrument sounds. Besides decorating any corner of your house, this instrument can be played by children or adults, creating cheerful, fun, and vibrant music. Tell me in the comments what you think of this project. Did you know this type of instrument? What is your favorite instrument? Share the video with someone who loves music as much as this man, don't forget to.